Hello, my people. In this video, we will see how to record Amazon Prime Video without black screen. The first and the most important part, obviously, is open Google. Next, we are going to the 3 points here. Click, and next, select, in this case, settings. This option is very important, and here we go to the system, and this option use graphics acceleration when available. In this case, disable. This is very important. This is the most important pass. And well, my people, that's all. This is the method, because or this is the better method how to record Amazon Prime Video without black screen. And that's all. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time.